Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with a pop-up taste test. By the way, if you like these taste tests, you should follow me so you never miss one. Today, we have Tattooed Chef grain-free tortilla chips. These are dairy-free, nacho-flavored, plant-based, non-GMO, gluten-free chips. They're also grain-free. That's a lot of free. Anyway, they have 140 calories, 6 grams of fat. So the stats are pretty good. I just figured I would try these because we love Tattooed Chef products a lot. And usually Tattooed Chef makes frozen meals, but these are chips. First thing I'm noticing, I don't know how many servings are in this bag. Let me check this out because they've settled 1 ounce, 5 servings. Okay, that's about normal. You can see in the bag. Don't think you've eaten half a bag when you open them. They just sort of don't come full. They settle down. We'll try these. They look nice. They feel like sort of light. Wow. They're very light and crispy. They taste like healthier Doritos. Perfect cheese flavor. I love the texture. They're not like super thick. They're like a light, crispy chip. Love Tattooed Chef. Love that these are plant-based, non-GMO, gluten-free. Taste amazing. 140 calories, 6 grams of fat. Check them out. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.